Hey, welcome back, Ram fans. So I got a new shift tower from Allstate Gear, and you know, it doesn't feel really any tighter than my old one, so I don't think it's going to solve any of my issues. I think the issues I have are actually with something to do with the shaft that the shift forks right on, or perhaps the bushings on that shaft. Even though I don't think this is going to help, I do want to confirm fitment, because it was kind of a pain in the dick to find this thing, and I do find it really odd that there was only one place available to buy these from. I don't know what that really says for, you know, maintaining this truck going forward. But let's get the old one off and get the new one on. Just make sure it fits everything. Before you take your old one off, you want to make sure it's in neutral. And of course, if you need more details on how to get these guys off, check out the first video I did on taking this thing off. Comes off easy peasy. And I want you to know, whenever you're putting the new one on, it's actually kind of offset, the tower is. You can kind of see. You want to put the side that the tower is, you know, more farther over towards the driver's side, and it just slips down on there like that. You want to make sure you get the shaft inside the little cup down inside there. Definitely start all your bolts by hand. You don't want to cross thread these guys, and these bolts aren't supposed to be torqued down all that much, so don't go giving it a whole bunch of ugga-duggas. Probably a good idea to go in a cross pattern too. Make sure it gets tightened down evenly. All right, so let's see how it feels. So here you can see how far the shifter throw is supposed to be. Whenever I start having the issues that I have, it ends up being like this much. It doesn't even go side to side very much. Very strange. Now, as far as how the new one feels, yeah, you know, I don't think it feels any different than the old one. So this was probably an unnecessary purchase, but considering these things are kind of rare and they are a wear item, I'm gonna hang on to it just in case. Well, let's drive around and see if we can catch the problem that I'm having. It is intermittent, so you know, it doesn't always happen. But thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already, and give us a thumbs up too. It really helps the channel out. Hope this helps you out if you have any shift tower troubles.